What the fuck on, man? What the fuck going on with your knees, though? Boy, look like you got two shoestrings tied in the knot down there. What the hell you got? You got makeup on around your eye? Boy, you better go play. Godzilla, you need to do your job. I see you over there looking too, nigga. You know what I'm saying? What you cutting up, bro? Hey, boy, hell nah, they trying to gang up. Zilla, you need to hit them with the press. Yeah, you better fly off. Cause I got something for you. Be in my frying pan. I see you looking too, boy. Oh boy, chill. You in the gang, the bird gang, for real. Yeah, he bad. Oh, you bad. Yeah, I see him over there, but he bad right there. He like, he finna take the goddamn coke. Yeah, you better go. You know what I'm talking about. Get your ass some and go to hell. That's what you do.